Hello everyone, welcome to DS Studies channel, and today we are going to discuss about the class 8 maths. Okay, let's we open the books. So we will be discuss about today exercise 2.2. Okay, and last video already we discussed about up to question number 9. Okay, then today we will be discuss about the question number 10. So everyone open the books, page number 41, and let's we start the our question number 10. Before starting the solution, I like to say that those candidates are new, please you subscribe and like, comment and share. You must be give that I can understand that you are watching the videos. Okay, and I think everyone is good and well only in these situations. Okay, so everyone stay at home and be safe. Okay, let's start the question number 10. After 20 years, ego of the Smita will be 4 years less than 5 times of the half present age. What is the Smita's present age? Here told that 20-year ago. Sorry, after 20 years, age of the Smita will be the 4 years less than the 5 times of the present age. Then what will be the present age? After that 20 years, what will be the 4 times? And 4 will be what? Less. Means, okay, 5 times and 4 will be less. Means, suppose let the present age of the Smita is x year. Then present age we taken what? X. Okay. Then the age of the Smita will be the after 20 years. Then what will be x plus 20? Suppose your age is now 15. What is 15? After 5 years, what will be? That means 15 plus 5 equal to 20. Is it or not? The same condition here we taken let x year present. Then after 20, what will be? X plus 20 only. Then we will be get what? After 20 years. Okay. Now according to question what will be that after 20 years means x plus 20 equal to what? 5 times of present. The present is x and 5 times means 5 into x. Again told that 4 year less, no, that means minus 4. Okay, means after 20 years is this one and present age is x. We have to multiply 5 times. Again 4 we have to do the less, means 5 into x minus 4. Now let's calculate it. Now x plus 20, 5 into x, 5x minus 4. Now 5 is positive, it will become left hand side negative, and minus 4, it will be positive, then it will be negative. Means x minus 5x means what will be minus 4x. Okay, because minus is big numbers, so it will be sign will be remain minus only. Now minus 4 and minus 20, then what will be? Minus 24. Then now 4 will be come this side, then divide, then minus minus cancel. 4 if we cut 24, then what will we get? 6. Okay, then x equal to 6. The x means what? Present age, no? So the last will be, we will be write what? Therefore the present age of the Smita is 6 years. Means x value will be the present age. Okay. Next we are start the question number 11. Present age of Raj is twice that of the Rashmi 10 years ago. His age was 3 times the age of the Rashmi. Find their present age. Here told that Raj and Rashmi given here. Okay. Suppose now your age is what? 14 years. Okay. What is 14? Then before 5 years is how much? Means before 5 years means minus 5 means 9. Okay. Then ago means what? You have to go past. Okay. Then means here how many years? Past told 10 years. Okay. Again one condition. The present age of the Raj is twice the Rashmi. Means whatever the Rashmi age, then this twice. Twice means double of Raj. Okay. The next, his age was 3 times age of the Rashmi. How many? Means Raj age will be what? 3 times. Means you have to multiply with 3. Means whenever given the times you have to multiply. Okay. Then let start the solution. Let the present age of the Rashmi x year. Then present of Rashmi what we taken? X, no. Then Raj will be what? Twice. Then the present age of Raj is twice x. Means here told it twice of that Rashmi. Then whatever the Rashmi age, it will be double. Means Rashmi age x taken, then it Raj will be 2x. Okay. Now 10 year ago means what? We have to do what? Minus. Means before I told that if your present age is 14, then ago will be what? Minus 5 years, means 9 will be get. Okay, then same condition here. 10 year ago means Rashmi age present is how much? X, then x minus 10, and Raj age will be present is 2x, then means 2x minus 10. Okay, then next, according to question is given what? 2x minus 10 equal to 3x minus 10, because 3 where from came already here told that what will ever the age of the Raj, it will be the 3 times of the Rashmi. Then so we have to multiply this 3. Okay, 3 with the Rashmi. Then now 2x minus 10, this 3 into x means 3x, 3 into 10 means 30. Okay, now 3 will be coming left hand side, it will be negative because it is the positive, so it will be become what? Negative. Now 10 will be positive, then this will become then this side positive. Now 2x minus 3x means how much will be? Minus x. Okay, minus x will be get here. Minus x, why? Because minus is greater than plus, no, so minus sign will be remain. Now 30 plus minus 30 plus 10, then means minus 20. Minus minus cancel, x equal to how much got? 20. Okay, then now therefore the present age of the Rashmi 20 years. How much will be? 20 years. The present age of the Raj will be how much? 2x we taken now. Then means 2x means 2 into x, means x value is how much? 20. Then 2 into 20 how much? 40 years. Then so Rashmi present is 20 and twice of 20 will be what? 40 only. Already in question told that what will be the Rashmi age? That double will be the Raj. Then 20 Rashmi got. Then what will be the Raj? 40 only. Okay. Then next we will start the question number 12. 12. Ranu took a 500 rupee note to a shop for change. The shopkeeper gives her a total of 19 notes of rupees 50 and rupees 20. How many notes of each was Ranu paid? Now here told that a Ranu who took a 500 notes. Everyone know what is the note of 5 rupees. And he went to shop and he need change. What need? Change. So the shopkeeper gave him what? 19 notes. Total how many notes? 19. And from that 19, some are 50 notes and some are 20 notes. Then here told that for the 500, how many he will be get the 50 rupees notes and 20 rupees notes. We have to find the numbers. Okay. Then how will we find? See, let the number of the notes of rupees 50 be x. 50 rupees notes how many taken? X. Our total notes is how much? 19. Then 50, whatever the 50 notes we minus from 19, then it will be remain what? For the 20 rupees, no? Suppose you have 20 notes. Okay. How many notes? 20 notes. And I told that from that you have to pay 10 notes. Then how many notes will be remain? Then 20 minus 10, no? Then 10 will be remain. Then same condition, total is 19. And 50 notes will be taken x, then means for the 20 rupees 19 minus x. Okay, so the number of notes of rupees 20 be 19 minus x, because total is 19 and number of 50 notes is x, so 19 minus x. Okay, now according to question, now whatever the notes of the 50 plus notes of 20 plus, then we will be get what? 500, now because total amount is how much? 500 only. Then both note will be plus, then what will be get? 50 only. So according to question, for 50 we will be 50x plus for 20 into 19 minus x. Okay, now because why? Suppose again, see, I am explaining you. Suppose you have the 100 rupees. Okay, then you 10 rupees have 5. How many? 10 rupees have 5 notes. Okay, and then how much will be become? 50. Okay, and 10 rupees notes have you 5 again. Sorry, 5 rupees notes have 10. Then how will we become? Both if plus, then 50 will be get or not? Sorry, 100 will be get, means you have total 100 rupees. Okay, and you have the 10 rupees notes 5 and 5 rupees notes 10. Then we have to multiply 10 into 5, because this is the 10 rupees 50, and 5 rupees notes you multiply with 10, then you will be get the 100, both if plus. Then same condition here also, 50 rupees and 20 rupees notes you have to multiply and plus, then you will be get the 500 rupees, because total amount is how much given here? 500 rupees only. Okay, then now according question 50x 20 into x 20 into 119, what will be 380. Again 20 into minus x means minus 20x equal to 50. Now 50x minus 20x, then what will be 30x. This plus 380 will be go, then it will be minus 500 minus 380. If minus, then what will we get? 120. Then 30x equal to 120. Now 30 will become this side, then what will be? Divide. Then if divide, then you will be get 4, means 0 0 cancel, 3 cancel, 12, 4 times, then remain 4. Then x value got what? 4. Okay, x value is 4. So we have to find the numbers of the 50 and 20. No, then x means what? The number of the notes of 50. No, that means 50 rupees notes is how much? 4. Then now 20 rupees, how many notes? So here written, therefore the number of the rupees 50 notes is 4 and the number of the rupees 20 notes is 19 minus x taken, that means x will be 4. Then 19 minus 4, how many? 15 notes. Means for 20 rupees, how many notes? 15. And for the rupees 50, how many notes? 4. Okay. So I think everyone understood today also, and up to this only we discussed today. 3 questions we are discussing, and these 3 questions are very important. So you learn and practice at home, because in the higher class you also get such types of the questions. Okay, so you practice at home. Okay, again I am saying that those students are new candidate, please you subscribe my channel, and whatever the problems and whatever you will comment. Okay. Okay, everyone, for watching. Everyone, thank you very much. Bye bye. Next we meet in the new video next time.